everybody at?
Hey, come here.
What you want, man?
Come on, let's talk to you for a second.
Man, what's up? What's happening? What's
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Shut. We're the good guys.
All right.
Calm down.
Yeah, right.
Got any weapons, man?
No, I ain't got no
Hey,
weapons.
partner, look at this.
Ah.
Man,
you think you're above the
that ain't
law,
mine.
huh?
Hey, that ain't mine.
Bullshit, that ain't
Hey,
yours.
that's not
Give me
mine.
that hand, man.
Ain't a million of you now, huh, motherfucker?
I got a place for you.
Man, I ain't done.
Let's go. Where the hell do you think Fat Boy got him?
Damn, I done kicked my ass.
That's right.
All available units proceed to 7046 Krebs Avenue. We have a domestic disturbance at that
Krebs
address.
Avenue, isn't that your address?
Shit.
It's probably y'all ain't fucking my pops.
Shut up, you chunky
Man,
motherfucker.
relax, man.
Shit for brains.